Miyawaki Forest Project in India. India's growing cities face increasing challenges from pollution, rising temperature, and shrinking green spaces. To tackle these environmental issues, a unique forest restoration method called Miyawaki technique is gaining popularity across the country. Originally developed in Japan, this method creates dense mini forests that grow much faster than traditional plantation and require very little maintenance after establishment. Today, Miyawaki forests are transforming urban spaces across India. What is a Miyawaki forest? Miyawaki forest is dense population of native trees and shrubs designed to imitate the structure of a natural forest. Unlike regular plantation where trees are planted far apart, Miyawaki forest use a high density plantation model, usually placing 3 to 5 saplings per square meter. These forests are built in multiple layers: shrub layer, sub canopy layer, main tree layer. This layered structure allows plants to grow collectively and create a self-sustaining ecosystem. Key features of Miyawaki forest: grow up to 10 times faster than conventional forest, become significantly denser, require less maintenance after around 3 years, improve air quality, reduce urban heat, support biodiversity. What is Miyawaki Forest Project in India? The Miyawaki Forest Project in India is an urban afforestation movement aimed at restoring green cover in cities. Instead of creating forests in remote areas, the focus is on developing small, dense forests in available urban spaces, including school campuses, residential societies, industrial areas, roadside land, public parks, vacant city plots. Several Indian cities have adopted this approach to improve environmental conditions and create local ecosystem. Who started Miyawaki Forest in India? The journey of Miyawaki Forest in India began in 2009. The first major project was developed near Bidadi, Karnataka, around an automobile manufacturing facility with technical guidance from Dr. Akira Miyawaki, the inventor of the method. Later, environmental entrepreneur Suvendu Sharma played a major role in expanding the concept across India through his organization focused on urban forest development. Over time, NGOs, environmental groups, and municipal authorities helped scale the movement nationwide. Who invented the Miyawaki method? The Miyawaki method was invented by Dr. Akira Miyawaki, a Japanese botanist and expert in plant ecology. Through decades of research, he observed that natural forests with native species were more resilient than artificial plantation. Based on this idea, he developed a system planting dense cluster of local species to accelerate forest growth. His work later influenced urban reforestation projects globally, which is the largest Miyawaki forest in the world. One of the largest Miyawaki-based forest developments located in Gujarat, India, as part of the Smriti One Earthquake Memorial and Museum project in Kutch. This large-scale plantation demonstrates that Miyawaki forest can be expanded beyond small urban patches into landscape restoration projects. What is the minimum area required for a Miyawaki forest? One of the biggest advantages of this method is flexibility. Generally, Miyawaki forest can be developed in minimum recommended area 100 square meters, micro forest model 30 to 50 square meters, minimum sunlight required 6 hours daily. This makes the method suitable even for compact urban environment. What soil is best for Miyawaki forest? Healthy soil preparation is